Hello everyone, welcome to another short video with me Velani Jacob. Thank you leave way tune in most of subscribe finish lo YouTube channel me want them thank you leave way subscribe. You ain't subscribe yet, you got one subscription button below. You have click on one subscription button below. You got one notification bell too. You click them below. Anytime you start putting out one video, you get updated all uploads all videos where you start putting. All time you stop talk about financial literacy or some slogan break them silence, talk about finance. Money you want something where you may run, you may use them every day, and I mean very important that you may be financially literate. So me Mr. Famble put them out all financial literacy episodes. Los simple Bislama Took because you may run, you may sabe understand them, or you may sabe better manage all finances. We welcome you where you stop watch, so you start watch any islands plimi lo Vanuatu no more. Torres Kasem Anaichum, want them welcome you lo video plimi today. Most possible install any other Pacific Island countries, want them welcome you too lo video plimi today. Australia, New Zealand, you start watch. Welcome. You know subscribe yet? Please click the subscription button below. One notification bell. Today me can make one video and me blow you me address them all time me tell financial literacy. Today me want to come blow point them out, or you can blow talk about more what it means when I'm not meaning blow you become financially literate. What it means to be financially literate. When I'm not you need blockade, when I'm not you need plus survey for when I'm not you must be financially literate. Okay, so financial literacy. So we tell them any all skills where you may run me must cut. Blow you may have a better management finances. Where you may financially literate. Sorry, you may financially literate. You know, meaning say by you go through the problems. We will go through problems like you must go through one crisis now. We will go through problems whereby you may learn. You may survey managing one through the problems. You may learn managing one. So inside of financial literacy, you got financial management, you got budgeting, you got saving, you got investing, you got all the topics where you think about managing money, making business, financial management, financial literacy. How do you use your money? So me want to come me talk about from the Mr. One very difficult time now. We must go through them. We want them. I mean clearly you me say suppose you are financially literate. You know meaning say by go through problem. You are in a problem, by you finding ways you around. You overcoming problem or you deal with them problem you know one way where he is smart. So what it means to be financially literate, that you want the Mastarem Faenensol management skills you know depend on knowledge you know more of finance. You must also got one emotional intelligence. You must got one strong mindset. You must got yes, you got all something really contribute make him see you have a better managing finances for you. Suppose you got good financial management skills, but you know got one strong mindset, or you know got one emotional one strong emotion by you know have make him from spending gloomy all to do with emotions. Some of us spending solely all to do with emotions. Something need to do with a mindset. You must have a strong mindset. Make him say other person. He must have one other man. He must have influencing you quick time. No mindset. No thinking. Make him say he divert him. You spend the money. No way where he follow him thinking. Gatabe no thinking. He follow him opinion. Gatabe no opinion. So me want them stress and one more something. Do you see me very you must acknowledge one very powerful something where you make up within each and every one where God himself and he blessing me with them and mindset God is giving me everyone brain, everyone mindset or thinking me but me no have calm inside me control them mindset no have calm me tell them say you make him, you make him. Me sabe give him all opinion blue me, but you got one. Me a mindset blue you, think blue God give him blue you, where you yet you got control over one him now. Think where you want to think lamb. So me been telling all previous videos you may finish time where you may stop want them attract them all negative thoughts you come inside your brain blue me by make them you may consume him all places or spaces where you may supposed to got well consuming all spaces where you may supposed to think got all positive thoughts or something but help them emotional intelligence they may start taking in positive thoughts you can mind by me create them all good emotions me or make them brain me work me look all brighter things all good something where you miss have attract them become all good thinking you may go through and finish one video so me want them talam pak me back no more me want them come back stress them me back no more say financial literacy me not just work them one me work with them emotional intelligence me emotions me me work with them mindset me so as me tell them you may very blessed that big man me give him you me power you me cut control over your own minds me or you use them one way where he is helping me especially in the crisis we must go through him so time by you think about saying now you must go through one crisis and people will be running for advices but they run from advice give me advice side finance give me advice side how do me manage me one you can get all the advice you sabe every advice where you sabe suppose you know create one good space inside there create one good space blue inside there but advice only come on just float around the moment but you know sabe take anyone so it is very important that you may create them good space thinking space blue me attract them all positive thoughts in return and me go in line with them emotions blue me when me helping me bring better managing me one so any one time where you may everyone lo home too by you may affected big one suppose you one couple you start watch more suppose you never been cooperate with them not of a partner blue to manage them or home to one way where any smart now is the time you come together beginning but it depend you fella so you got a school beginning one way it depend you some guidance but it depend big one you fella so come together cooperate blow so the better managing you one all finances you home usually it's hard time where one partner is a trying to manage after another one and the help or another one is a trying to do the total opposite something no help no by create them one create one good mindset or create one good environment blow money is stable him we think so me when they come simply encouraging you minimum say me one trying time where you make him blow you may friend me come together where you cooperate so you start home you lock down so you stable all curfew times and you start one restrictions health protocols believe me and make good time you come together with the family blue and me one time come together so you need play with us down together mo pray big man and me help me blow good flatting thing blow share with one another every time me make him all kind activity will send now so me come blow give him you me more encouragement give me no more say you may run by me go through law crisis you may run you may we are all affected and you may run me affected after meaning say or financially literate by only get through of course by financially literate but you get through when you say financially literate or affected everybody may affected so suppose you still go through all troubles or problems Sometimes you just need somebody to listen to you. Somebody play listen to you no more. You talk after releasing more stress play no more after and me make blow. You say play me create one space thinking space play too. You can remove something after you create one good flat thinking space play. So then we financial literate. I mean, you must have how you manage law. How much will you cut this stapa? How much so government may not helping you, or suppose you know one hour of source of income, you come someplace. You learn to manage you one with them. Whatever way you got this stuff more, any small flow in where stuff come inside, you learn to manage you one with them. Yes, so me tell them everyone will be affected. But you go here, you try and blow run go here, blow one helping me to be sad, him too affected. You try and blow run go here, blow one helping me to be sad, and to buy me affected. So sometimes it is good play you. You mean where you may sabe listen, people will talk, just lend an ear. One is just talk to you, he suck him every something where Mr. Kodrilo stress him, whatever, and he suck him after you listen to him, after you give him all positive talk to him. So, yes, so what it means to be financially literate is all to do with not just knowledge about finance, but also about your emotions, more about mindset. So, and then we want them students more one more thing, something or they call them living beyond your means. Sometimes where you may stop, so you may use play, make them something no time where you may cut good for a time, money flow good, business run good. After you may use play, make some something. Now one time they may downsize, cut them down something. So when we talk about financial literacy, it also means that you must discipline, you must cut them down something, management, coordination, every something you work together. So suppose something you used to make them before, you need to cut them down, living within your means. And means you live for them one no more you sabe afford them, one now you sabe afford them. So you find them out, say you need to borrow them some money or about you square them up something where you stop some activity where you stay involved with him, or something where you stop pay. You need to borrow money or about you stop pay. And it means you stop go beyond law. You living beyond your means. You living beyond one where you supposed to stop spend for them no more. Look good budget use and maybe talk about finish. You cut them down something where unnecessary. So back again, thank you for me talk about financial literacy today. We hope the topic by me or video by me helping me today. You don't forget they got one contest on the YouTube where we stop yet one live contest. 30,000 vatu where you start winning. Click one little video or YouTube channel you find more instruction where you use you save part of the competition. Thank you again. You will subscribe it. Please click the subscription button or the one small notification bell to get updated. Thank you again. Tata everyone.